What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how changing your date of birth in Fortnite works and what you can actually do if you enter the wrong birthday. First, let's clear this up right away. You cannot directly change your date of birth inside Fortnite or your Epic Games account settings once it has been set. Fortnite locks this information because it's tied to age restrictions, parental controls, and account permissions. Your birthday is connected to your Epic Games account, not just Fortnite itself. That's why there's no simple edit button or setting you can toggle later on. Once it's entered, it stays locked. That said, if you made an honest mistake, or if there's a serious reason the date needs to be corrected, there is one option left. Your best and only real solution is to contact Epic Games support directly. Head to the official Epic Games website, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click Contact Us. From there, choose the account-related support option and explain your situation clearly. When you contact them, make sure you have your Epic Games account details ready, including your username and email. Be upfront about what happened and provide the correct birth date. If the issue involves a minor or parental consent problems, mention that clearly, as those cases are more likely to be reviewed. Just keep expectations realistic. Epic Games does not guarantee they will change the birth date, and in many cases, they may refuse. However, contacting support is the only path available if the date truly needs to be corrected. So, to sum it up, Fortnite does not let you change your birthday on your own, but Epic Games support is your only possible workaround if a mistake was made. And that's it. That's how Fortnite date of birth changes really work. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.